Hello students, welcome to Smart Kids Tutorials. In this video we will be solving question number 2 from exercise 9.3, which says in a triangle ABC E is the midpoint of median AD. Show that area of triangle BED is equal to 1/4 of area of triangle ABC. Okay, similar to the problem that we solved in the previous video, this video also involves a median. We are given a median AD, which is of triangle ABC, and we are asked to show, we are also told that E is the midpoint of AD. Apart from that, we are asked to show that area of triangle BED, that means this particular area, is 1/4 of this entire triangle, the area of that entire triangle. Okay, so let's begin with what we have been given. We have been given that AD is the median of ABC. Okay, so let's begin with that. AD is median of triangle ABC. So we can say therefore area of triangle ABD will be equal to area of triangle ACD. Okay. So this median divides this particular triangle ABC into two equal parts. That means the areas are equal. That is ABD area is equal to the area of triangle ACD. Okay. Now we are also given that E is the midpoint of AD, which means that BE becomes the midpoint of the triangle. BE becomes the median of the triangle ABD. Okay. We mention over here E is midpoint of AD in triangle ABD. So this implies that B is median of triangle ABD. And then we can apply the same thing. If it is the median, then we can say this median divides this entire triangle ABD into two equal areas, these two triangles. So we can say therefore area of triangle BED is equal to area of triangle BEA, right? So continuing further, we'll mark this as 1, mark this as 2. Now we can say area of triangle ABC, okay, the big triangle. We can say it is the sum of these two triangles, that is area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle ACD, right? All I am saying is that this big triangle is made up of two smaller triangles, or the two smaller triangles make up one big triangle, that is triangle ABC. Comes with the same. Now continuing further, over here area of ACD. Now we have got area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. So instead of ACD I can put this as APD. So I'll put over here, I'll leave this like this, but instead of area of triangle ACD I'll put area of triangle ABD, and the reason I can give is from 1, because ABD is equal, area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. Okay. So now what we do is we've got two areas of triangle ABD, so we'll add them up. We get area of ABC equal to 2 times area of ABD. So 1 plus 1 I just added, I got 2 area of ABD. Where is ABD? ABD is here, and ABD can be further divided. Okay, so we can say area of ABC over here, and 2 times, and instead of area of ABD I'll put a bracket over here, and I'll put this as equal to area of BED plus area of BEA. Close the bracket. Why? Because what I've done is I've shown this particular big triangle ABD as equal to the sum total of these two areas. Okay, the areas of these two particular triangles over here. So we can put over here, okay, area of BEA. We know that area of triangle BED is equal to area of triangle BED. So what I'll do is 2 times area of, instead of BEA, I'll put this as BED. So this will be BED plus area of BED. Okay, I'll solve the remaining over here. So we've got area of triangle BED, area of triangle BED again. So 1 plus 1, again this will become 2. So area of triangle ABC it can be written 2 times into 2 area of BED, right? Why? This 2 came from outside, this was outside, okay, and because we added BED twice, 1 and 1 gives us 2, so 2 times area of BED. Now all we need to do is multiply 2 into 2, we get 4. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 4 times area of triangle BED. Okay, so then if we just want to show area of triangle BED, then it will become area of triangle BED is 1/4 of area of triangle ABC. That's what we were asked to show. Okay, so all I did over here was this 4 was multiplied with BED. This 4, when I take it on the other side, gets divided with ABC, it becomes 1/4. So all I've done is switched. So from BED, I've put BED over here on the left hand side and shown ABC on the right hand side. And this is just that 4, when it goes on the other side, it gets divided, which is actually multiplied with BED. So if you multiply, if you bring it on this side, 4 will get multiplied with BED. That's, you'll get this step back again. Okay, so this is what we were asked to show in this problem. So if you like watching this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.